Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on INFINIX Note 11 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see a logo on your screen. And when you see no command, you have to press power button and then click volume up button. And right here you are now in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to select. So move to wipe data factory reset and then press power button. Now move to factory data reset and press power button again. Then select reboot system now. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.